Hey everybody, welcome back to Tech Odyssey. So today I'm here with a how-to video, and this time it's with the new BLU G9. So I wanted to go ahead and do a demonstration video and show you how to adjust the haptic feedback or the touch sensitivity for the vibration motor when you press the buttons on your phone. So if you're anything like me, once you took the phone out of the box, you probably thought that maybe there was something wrong with the vibration motors because it's really weak. And I used it for a day or two. I couldn't find it simply in the settings, so I had to do a little bit more investigation and find out exactly how to adjust it so that I could calibrate it for the amount of vibration strength that I wanted for my phone. So you can see right here, it's in the keyboard settings under the preferences for Gboard, which is the default keyboard on here. So the vibration strength on key press, the lower, you put it on 0, there's no vibration. You put it up to 100, that's max. I like to keep mine about the 73, 75 ballpark, but like I said, it depends on how you want it, but it's very low whenever you start off. So this will ideally enhance your experience when you're using the phone, and it will make it feel a little bit more realistic and responsive whenever you're typing or when you press the menu buttons and things like that. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to get here, so that way on your own phone you can go ahead and adjust it for your individual preference. So first thing you do is you hit the drop down and you go to settings. Once you get into settings, it's easiest to just type. You can type keyboard. It'll pop up, and it's the first one where it says keyboard and inputs. So select that. Once you hit that, go ahead and click the virtual keyboard there, the Gboard. Then you hit Gboard, and then you go to preferences, and then you go down to where it says vibration strength on key press. And you can even turn it off if you want. So if you don't like having any haptic feedback, go ahead. And then right here, you can use the sliding bar so you can adjust it for your individual preference. But like I said, I like to keep mine about 73, 75. It feels pretty on par with most standard vibration motors on other Android phones. And it'll make it feel a little bit more familiar, a little bit more realistic, and you can set it how you want. But anyway, that's pretty much all I have with this walkthrough video, but it was important enough for me that I was using it, and I thought other people might want to know, so I wanted to make a video. So that's all I've got on this one. If you've got any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down in the comment section. I'll get back with you. And as always, I'll see you guys next time.